Hi, now that you have the outside of page 12B's foldable done, now I want to talk you through a couple of examples on the inside. So the first equation that we're going to use is y equals 2/3 x minus 4. And so what I want us to do is you need to find the y-intercept and the slope. So remember, our y-intercept, our number that's by itself, the beginning number, that is your b. Okay, so find the y-intercept. B equals -4. Our slope is the number that the x is changing every time. So in this case, it's 2/3 times x. And so this is your change number because it's the one that's multiplied. So that's going to be your slope. So now we know that our b is -4 and our slope is a positive 2/3. Since our slope is positive, we know that our y is positive, so you'll go up, and our x is positive, so you'll go to the right. Remember, it's change in y over change in x. It's rise over run. So positive rise is up, positive run is to the right. So again, you begin on the y-intercept. So remember, the y-axis is the vertical line. You're going to start at -4. So right here, you're going to put your point, and then you're going to follow the directions of the slope. It says to go up 2 and then over 3, and you'll put a point right there. Now, again, you can continue to do that to make sure that your line is straight, up 2, over 3, up 2, over 3. You could do that all you want, or you could even go backwards. If you go -2, make sure you also go -3, because 2 negatives would make it also a positive slope. So you can go down 2, over 3. And as you can tell, my line curves a little right there, but it would be the straight line. Okay, so down here, it just kind of refreshes your memory. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. Your slope is the rise over run. If you're running right, it's positive. If you're running left, it's negative. Okay, looking at our next example, our equation is y equals a -2x plus 1. Find the y-intercept. Our number that's by itself, the beginning number, is a positive 1. So b equals 1. Our slope is going to be a -2 because it's the number that's beside the x. Remember, when we look at the formula, y equals mx plus b. M is the one that you multiply by x, plus b is the number that's by itself. Okay, so y-intercept's 1, m is -2. Well, since our slope, remember, is rise over run, our top number is negative here, so we're going to go down. A negative rise, the opposite of going up, would be to go down. So you're going to go down 2, and your run is still positive, so you're going to go to the right 1. So you begin to plot your point at the y-intercept where b equals 1. Remember, the y-axis is the vertical one, so it tells you how many to go up or down. So since b is a positive 1, it goes right here. From here, you follow the directions for your slope. Go down 2, over 1. And like I said, you can keep doing that, and you're going to find that these points are all on your line. And again, you could also go opposite. If you were to go up 2, then you would have to go left 1, because you do have to go negative in one of these directions because the slope is negative. So up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. And you'll see all of those points are going to fall on that line. So again, just a reminder, the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. The slope is rise over run. If it's positive, you'll run to the right. If it's negative, you can run to the left, or you can also switch the rises. If you rise positive, it goes up. Rise negative goes down. Thanks for getting your notes on page 12B.